Well, oh geez. Yeah. I'm happy that I didn't have to buy my own because I was really interested in starting this stuff up. And yeah, it's good. I'm happy with it. It films really well. Satisfied. So, cold front fishing, huh? This is fun. No wind. Hopefully it's not gonna be bluebirds, but if right now it's all right. 30 degrees. Score. You snagged? Hopefully it wasn't a good bait. Yeah. No. Definitely not the way you want to start. Yeah. Oh, no way. Look at that. Not the knot, the snap swivel just straightened out. Awesome. Always buy quality snap swivels. Fish on. Fish on. She's nice.
Keeper.
Keeper for sure.
Oh yeah, you got the video.
Yeah.
Carry on.
Yep.
I figured they'd be hitting slower, so I was just doing slower trees. I don't think I can really yo-yo for the
2.27. 2.25 pounds. Nice fish.
Does your glasses fog up easily?
We good. It's a good looking jig. I think jig will work all year. Just depends on how slow you work it. The main things that I feel that work in the spring are reaction baits, rattle baits, spinner baits, jerk baits if one fish slow, and a jig. Then again, some unknown thing that does work very well in like cold weather and cold fronts and shaky heads. You know, finesse plastics. But at that point you gotta go very finesse to entice any kind of a bite, you know? Oh geez, you expensive rod, you. Okay. Well, I know the 17-pound test is good. Because whatever it is, I'm pulling it. Never mind. You hear that? Breaking the sound barrier. Yeah, down! Down! It's awesome.
Take it all in and wake up that small part of me. Day to day I'm blind to see and find how far to go.
Oh, there you go.
Everybody got the reason.
That's a good one.
No.
He hit that 4 times. Skunk is gone. Got it. Yeah, 2.22.
Take a picture.
And then let's go. Oh. My bad, I didn't know. Not in the water, Rob. I'll grab your bag too. It's not that deep though, don't worry. Make the jump, come on. Yeah. Nice little guy. They're fat, they're chunky. I don't even want to weigh it. There you go. Oh, that's a nice one. I love these EcoPro jigs, man. I hate that they're discontinued. I ate it. I ate it so much. Bunch of what? Oh yeah. I'm glad I. Got one. Do you have any black and blue chatterbaits? I just got mine stolen. Cutters, please. Oh, Jesus, I'm so needy today. Thank you. There's one. Another decent 16-incher. Hey Robbie, we're gonna get kicked out. Yep. Because I see a cop. I just feel it deep down in my gut that we're going to get kicked out of here. I fear getting kicked out, I really do. I have a fear. No way. Oh, well. Excuse me, do you guys know? Hi! At least she was nice about it.
Da dum dum dum. da dum dum.